Guys, today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Slack app. So you go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here, you come here to notify me about replace so threads. Just clicking this sign, then like you see here this color show for us, that's mean here notify me about replace the threads enable with us now. So that's all you have to do, just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.